When you get mad after you fall.
It's Max! Max! It is Max! Hello, little Maxie.
Talking to the dogs at work.
Coco, oh my god, please. Cokie.
No. No. Oh, no. No. Oh. Come on.
Hello. Ooh, it's mad windy today. Trash is blowing everywhere, so watch out for your ex.
So I'm like, oh, look at this cute little lad just kind of hanging out. I'm like, wait, is he decapitated or what's going on? Oh, no. What?
Huh?
Don't leave me here. My house. My dog. Still fast as boy. Come get some.
Are you new here? Yeah. Are you serious right now? Hey, bud. You got some mail there? Oh, you put it on the bed. She's out there in it shit! What are you doing? It's a hurricane out there! What are you doing? Get out there!
We found your kitty.
Right between his legs. Did you get that?
Yeah.
They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.
Hello.
Huh?
Hello. Hello.
No, wait, hang on, stop, you don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy, don't do it, no!
Don't even think about it. No, 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 no. Ah, God. Oh no. Oh no, that's
Oh my god, that's like my whole finger. Oh my god. Stop, stop. What? Stop. I'm in your stomach. I can. Oh my god, oh my god.
Where are you getting pizza? You cannot come inside with 2 slices of pizza. Eat your pizza outside.
So funny.
You're gonna rip the Shaggy. You're pulling me in the chair, Shaggy. Shaggy.
Open my door and there's a cat and I look over here and it's a kitten. I think that's her mother. Hi. Can I touch you? Oh my god.
Ready, Mom? Here are the victims. Free. Say love.
When just a taste is not enough.
Here goes a fox. Cute little fox out there. My Brittany Spaniel is out there chasing it off. And here's my guardian dog, asleep on the couch. Yeah, get your rest, buddy.
Dude, this cat is having the best night. He's like, he went from having no lasagna to being fed like lasagna like 3 times.
Ma'am, we have already established my name is not Garfield and I'm not no damn house cat. Put me the hell down. Unhand me, you scoundrel. What is wrong with you? Ugh. Scary as y'all act when black people walk up on you, the way you handled me.
Dame, me llamo Lucy.
Should I let her in?
Çıpılık, seni bırakıp başka kedi alacağım. Tamam, almayacağım, özür dilerim. Atacağım sokağa seni. Artık sokak kedisi olacaksın, yaş mama dayak. Ah, tamam, özür dilerim.
I have a hard-boiled egg and I think Jeff is scared of it. Jeff, it's okay. It's just an egg. It's okay, Jeff.
Hey, Rory. Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside.
No.
You're not made for this cold weather. You gonna come in?
No.
Okay, you just stay there.
Hello.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme!
Parkour! Parkour!
Peanut. Move, Hermes.
All right, now you acting a fool for what? For what? For
You're getting abused.
I'm sorry, baby. Can I help you? Can I help you? Hey, you can't come in. You can't come.
My cat likes to sit with us during dinner, so we just put on movies for him to watch while we eat.
So you've got a magnificent pair of bananas. Oh, great heavens! Laying down in bed, she has to come up and do that before she goes to sleep.
That is odd.
Hilarious. Her. What is she doing?
She's taking care of me.
She's cleaning his beard.
I don't.
He's an emotional support cat, but his idea of emotional support is biting me when I'm sad. He just bites me when I'm trying to mope. Look at, there he goes! The criminal!
No, Munchie! Munchie! Munchie, come on. Come on, Munch. Munchie, leave him. Drop him. Let's go home.